Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have the P. Louise budget box. Now this is October's. So how this works is I normally order this the first day of the month and then you end up getting it the beginning of the next month. So this is October's box. I did rip open the little seal thing because it is a bit of a nightmare to open that, but I haven't looked inside. This month's is a small box, but you don't judge a book by its cover, because I know there's going to be some great stuff in here. So let's have a little butcher's. Oh, so that is the invoice. So here, budget box by P. Louise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of P. Louise. We do things differently here. So yeah, it's just the same. Ooh! I get so excited. I bloody love P. Louise. Right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is this Hold You Down. Oh, is this the brow stuff? Quick dry formula, long lasting hold. Don't dwell on who lets you down, cherish those who hold you up. Love that. Yeah, for the brows. Oh, exciting. Where did I put my tweezers? I did just have them because I just did the old eyebrows. I will just use these scissors. I'm so excited for this. Oh, you get a little spoolie. Cute little spoolie. Yeah, brow fix. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh shit, look what I've done. Oh no. That's not good. You know what, I'm just gonna stick that there. Okay, it doesn't have a smell. So it's like a gel, but very thick. I'm excited to try that. Okay, let's pop you back in there with my little spoolie. Adorable. Alright, I can't do that. How's this desk bloody dirty? Okay, then we have Dripping with Benefits, the Lip Drip Thick Formula. I love this stuff. I've got a couple of these. Peachaboo. Ooh. I mean, the packaging, look, can you see the wet effect here? Oh, I love it. I'm not going to swatch this just in case. Yeah, it's not my kind of colour. Not my kind of colour. But I will pass that on. But love a lip drip. Right, then we have a Bad Bitch Energy Coffee. Poke Me Pumpkin. Now I got the strawberry one. I kept the lip oil, and my daughter got the like balm kind of thing. Oh, so it's pumpkin spice, protect your palate lip conditioner, and Poke Me Pumpkin stay shining lip oil. Lip oils are bloody lovely. They're not sticky, and you can use them over a lipstick as well. So I use it like a lip gloss, to be quite honest with you. So I'll just try and open this. There we go. P. Louise do the most extra packaging, but I bloody love it. I mean, look. Oh no, I need you. I just dropped my scissors. So they come in these little boxes. I'm excited for this because I did want the pout protector, the protect your pout lip moisture. What is it called? Is it lip? I forgot already. Protect your pout. Whatever. Anyway, and I did give the strawberry one to my daughter. I was kind of wishing I never, but she's my daughter. I love her. Let her have it. So now I've got the pumpkin spice. I mean, I'm not a fan of pumpkin spice lattes. I don't get it from... I can't even smell it because I've just creamed my hands with like this lemon flavoured, what do you call it? Cream. Yeah, I don't particularly like Starbucks. Now, I used to be a fan of Costa Coffee. I love their gingerbread lattes with cream, of course. But you know, Cafe Nero does a bloody lovely coffee, so I'm a big fan of that. So yeah, this is poke me pumpkin. Let's have a little sniff of this. I get scared to open these. Oh my god. It doesn't smell like pumpkin, but I don't know what that smells of, but it smells nice. Yeah, these are great to bang in your handbag. Yeah, and also with this, it comes with like a little clasp, so you can add it to your keys or stick it on the hoop of your handbag. Okay, and then lastly we have P. Louise, and so the adventure begins. Spread your wings, babe, your flying passport. Is this brushes? The sky is the limit, you own it. Oh, you owe it to yourself to become everything you ever dreamed of being. I think this... No, it can't be. It's not a palette, I know that for sure. I do actually think it is brushes. Ready? Oh my god. Destination success. Am I heading in the right direction? A little lost, but I'm getting there. Oh, that's cute. Look, so you can... That's really cute. Packaging is just bloody... Oh my god, it is as well. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is cute. Look. Passport control. Your current destination. Your current ambitions and your final destination. Oh, that's lovely. Packaging is just... And then here, there's a mirror, which will be your passport photo. Remember, babe, you're winning every day just by not giving up. Take credit, you're killing it. When in doubt, grab your brushes and create magic. Oh. Oh, that's really lovely. So we have... I'm not going to get these out. I was kind of... Oh my god, look at the detail is just bloody everything. Look, it's like got a map on it. Oh, it doesn't tell you what number the brush is. Yes, it does. This is the 198. So it's a cute, small blending brush, to be precise. Love that. And we've got an even smaller one, 143. Oh, I love. And then this one is the 115. I've got a couple of their brushes, they're really great. They were doing a big deal on TikTok, like 20 brushes for 30 quid or something. I was really tempted, but I have enough brushes already, so I was very good and didn't order. But yeah, that is everything. I am super happy. Obviously I'm going to give the lip drip away. I'm going to keep that definitely for myself and see if my daughter wants that, because I'm quite happy with my strawberry one. Super pumped about the Hold You Down eyebrow product and the brushes as well. Super happy. I don't know if I said before, but this is £30 each month, and you pay £1 shipping, which I think is bloody great. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the bell so you get notified each time I upload a video, and leave me a comment. Even if you say hi, I'll appreciate that. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves. Wrap up, because I know it's bloody freezing out there. And have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.